When it comes to managing diabetes, breakfast isn't just the most important meal of the day. It's also an opportunity to take control of your blood sugar and start the day on a high note. Yet, many people unknowingly consume breakfast foods that send their glucose levels on a roller coaster. Today, we'll dive into the top 10 best breakfasts every diabetic to kickstart their day and explore not just what to eat, but why these foods are game changers. By the end, you'll have delicious ideas and practical tips to transform your mornings, all while keeping your health in check. But first, let me share a quick story. I once had a patient, Mrs. Lin, who struggled with maintaining her blood sugar despite her best efforts. The key to her success? Tweaking her breakfast routine. In just a few weeks, she noticed significant improvements in her energy and glucose levels. Let's explore the breakfast that helped her and could help you too. 1. Eggs, the protein powerhouse. Eggs have long been hailed as a diabetic-friendly breakfast staple. Their high protein and low carbohydrate content make them perfect for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. A large egg contains approximately 70 calories, 6 grams of protein, and less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. Why eggs work? Research from 2021 highlights that eggs are not only nutritious but also affordable. Their protein content slows down digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes. Additionally, they're rich in choline, which supports brain health, a bonus for everyone, not just diabetics. How to enjoy them? Scrambled with spinach and mushrooms. Add fiber-packed veggies to keep you full. Poached on whole grain toast. Top with a sprinkle of avocado for healthy fats. Egg muffins. Prepare in advance with chopped peppers and onions for a grab-and-go meal. Real-life example. Mrs. Lin found that swapping her usual sugary cereal for scrambled eggs with bell peppers made her feel more energized and less hungry before lunch. She even taught her grandson how to make an omelet, turning breakfast into a bonding activity. 2. Greek yogurt with blueberries. Greek yogurt topped with fresh blueberries makes for a delicious, nutrient-rich breakfast that supports healthy blood sugar levels. The yogurt is packed with protein, which helps keep you full and aids muscle maintenance. It's low in carbs and contains probiotics, promoting healthy digestion and blood sugar control. Blueberries are full of antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. This meal is customizable with chia or flax seeds for extra fiber and healthy fats, making it a balanced and satisfying way to start your day. Nutritional highlights. Greek yogurt, high in protein, probiotics, and calcium. Blueberries, low glycemic fruits packed with antioxidants. A serving of Greek yogurt paired with half a cup of blueberries provides 18 grams of protein and only 18 grams of carbs, a perfect balance to start your day. Pro tip: add a tablespoon of chia seeds or crushed almonds for extra fiber and healthy fats. 3. Blueberry chia pudding. This overnight recipe is a time saver and a nutritional powerhouse. Chia seeds are loaded with soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar by slowing digestion and promoting gut health. These tiny seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to heart health and reducing inflammation. Recipe: combine 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add a handful of blueberries and let sit overnight. Top with a few crushed nuts before serving. Fun fact: chia seeds' ability to absorb up to 10 times their weight in liquid creates a gel-like consistency, making this dish not only filling but also hydrating. 4. Oatmeal, the fiber hero. Oatmeal's beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber, has been proven to lower blood sugar levels by slowing glucose absorption. This not only helps stabilize your energy throughout the morning, but also supports overall gut health. To reap these benefits, it's essential to choose unsweetened, whole oats over instant varieties, as the latter often contain added sugars and fewer nutrients. Tips for a perfect bowl. Add a dash of cinnamon to enhance flavor without adding sugar. Include toppings like sliced almonds or a dollop of Greek yogurt for protein. Quick anecdote. A friend of mine with type 2 diabetes once thought oatmeal was off-limits due to its carb content. After learning how to pair it with high-protein toppings, she's now an oatmeal enthusiast. 5. Multigrain avocado toast. Avocado's healthy monounsaturated fats, combined with the slow-digesting carbohydrates and high-fiber content of multigrain bread, create a breakfast that is not only satisfying but also helps maintain steady energy levels and optimal blood sugar control throughout the morning. Nutrition breakdown. Avocado, rich in heart-healthy fats and potassium. Multigrain bread, provides slow-digesting carbs. Variations. Add a boiled egg for protein. Sprinkle chili flakes or lemon juice for extra flavor. 6. Low-carb smoothies. Smoothies can be diabetes-friendly with the right ingredients. Opt for low-sugar fruits like berries, include leafy greens for added fiber, and enhance with healthy fats such as avocado or chia seeds. Recipe idea. Blend half an avocado with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add a handful of spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and ice. 7. Wheat Bran cereal. High in fiber and with a low glycemic load, Wheat Bran cereal is a fantastic choice for managing blood sugar levels effectively while promoting overall digestive health. Pro tip: serve with unsweetened almond milk and a handful of fresh berries for added flavor. 8. Cottage cheese bowl. Cottage cheese is low in carbs and high in protein, making it a versatile base for both sweet and savory breakfasts. Its mild flavor pairs well with fruits like berries or savory additions like fresh herbs, offering endless possibilities to suit your taste preferences while supporting balanced blood sugar levels. Sweet option. Add a drizzle of honey and a few slices of peach. Savory option. Top with chopped cucumbers and a dash of black pepper. 9. Multigrain toast with nut butter. Multigrain toast with nut butter. Multigrain toast with natural peanut or almond butter is an excellent choice for diabetics, offering a balance of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. The multigrain bread provides fiber and has a low glycemic index, while nut butter adds protein and unsaturated fats to help stabilize blood sugar levels. This breakfast is not only easy to prepare but also heart-healthy, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. You can enhance it with toppings like chia seeds, flax seeds, or banana slices for extra nutrients and sweetness. It's a satisfying, energy-boosting meal that supports blood sugar control and overall health. Quick tip: choose nut butters without added sugars or oils. 10. Tofu scramble. For those following a plant-based diet, tofu scramble is an excellent choice that provides a protein-packed, diabetes-friendly meal. Tofu, a low-calorie, high-protein food, is rich in essential amino acids and is naturally low in carbohydrates, making it ideal for managing blood sugar levels. When scrambled with vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and onions, tofu becomes a versatile, nutrient-dense dish that offers fiber, antioxidants, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals. The high protein content helps promote satiety, preventing blood sugar spikes and keeping you full longer. This savory dish can easily be seasoned with turmeric, garlic, and nutritional yeast for added flavor and a boost of anti-inflammatory properties. Tofu scramble is not only a delicious option for breakfast, but also a great way to start the day with steady energy while supporting overall health. Recipe: crumble firm tofu into a pan with olive oil. Add turmeric, salt, and pepper. Mix in chopped spinach and tomatoes for extra nutrients. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on delicious breakfasts. By making mindful choices and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can start each day with energy and confidence. Which of these recipes will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And remember, breakfast is more than a meal. It's your daily opportunity to take charge of your health.